Hey everyone, thanks for checking out this little edit of some driving that we did this past weekend. We put together a little track and cruised around with this 1/25th scale Mustang that I recently featured on this channel. We did have some more ambitious plans for a full-on chase scene, but it didn't quite work out this time. We'll try again in the future. It certainly takes some work to film a chase, especially in this scale, but the result can be pretty cool, and hopefully we can put something together here soon. Of course, we had to squeeze in a fence smash, which, if you don't know, is made using fettuccine pasta. I made a whole video on that topic a while back, as you may remember, but it's just one of those things that's so fun to do. Maybe more than I'd like to admit. But all in all, it was a lot of fun. The Mustang stayed together just fine throughout all of this, the only casualty being the rear license plate fell off. But there you go, a short and sweet little driving montage, I guess you could call it. Hope you all are able to get out and enjoy the hobby very soon, even if in a slightly unconventional manner. I know I certainly will, but as always, I want to thank you all for watching. There's more content on the way, so be sure to stay tuned for that.